Today's topic is inflorescence. What is the meaning of inflorescence? Arrangement and distribution of flower or flower parts on a floral axis is called inflorescence. That means arrangement and distribution of flower parts, flowers on a floral axis is called inflorescence. Arrangement and distribution on a floral axis. That means floral axis consists of many parts. So the inflorescence is also consists of many parts. Sketch a typical inflorescence, rough sketch of typical inflorescence. That is peduncle. Peduncle is main supporting stalk of the inflorescence. Then flower. Flower is attached with the peduncle through pedicel. Pedicel is flower stalk. Leaf-like structure, small leaf-like structure known as bract. Cluster of bract is called involucre. Cluster of bract is called involucre. So these are the parts of inflorescence. These are known as pedicel, bract, peduncle are the parts of inflorescence. Come to the first one, peduncle. It is the main supporting stalk of the inflorescence. ये main supporting stalk of inflorescence का इसी के ऊपर bract है, इसी के ऊपर stalk है, stalk और pedicel है, इसके ऊपर flower लगे हुए हैं. And next is pedicel. It is the stalk of the individual flower. Stalk of the individual flower. इससे individual flowers attach हैं. Some flowers are sessile and do not have a stalk. Some flowers do not have a stalk. These are known sessile flowers. Do not have pedicel. But most of the plant has pedicel. Third is bract. Bract are small green petal-like structure that are found near the pedicel. Bract. Small green leaf-like structure. If this structure is not present in the plant, these are known as ebracteate plant. When this structure is not present in the plant, ebracteate. So, inflorescence composed of the main branch and arrangement of branches, arrangement of these structures. Morphologically, it is modified part of the shoot of seed plants. Seed plants means plants in which sexual reproduction takes place in angiosperms. So, morphologically, it is the modified part of the shoot of seed plants where flowers are formed. depending upon the number and position of flower, depending upon the number and position of flowers, sequence of flowers and development and its development, sequence of flowers and its development, and nature of branching, we can divide inflorescence into many types. Inflorescence can be divided into many types. First division is inflorescence. Inflorescence can be divided into two parts: solitary inflorescence, and cluster inflorescence. As the name indicates, solitary inflorescence, in which only one flower present at a particular position of a plant. सिर्फ एक फ्लावर एक खास पोजीशन पे रहेगा, एक पोजीशन पे एक फ्लावर रहेगा. That is known as solitary inflorescence. Depending upon the position of flower, it is divided into two parts: terminal and axillary. Terminal and axillary. Terminal solitary inflorescence and axillary solitary inflorescence. A flower is present at the top of the main stem or branch is known as terminal inflorescence. Flower is present at the top or at the tip of the main stem. Example: poppy. And in poppy, as for example, stem, main stem, flower, leaf, only one flower at the terminal position of the plant. That is terminal solitary inflorescence. And in axillary inflorescence, a single flower arises from an axis of the leaf. Example: China rose. Example is China rose. A single flower arises from an axis of the leaf. That's the main stem, leaf, flower. Next, leaf, flower. Leaf, इसके leaf के axis से flower. Flower arises from the axis of the leaf. This is known as axillary leaf. So, next is cluster inflorescence. We will study in another class. Come to the part of inflorescence, that is peduncle, pedicel, bracts, and the most important is flower. Fourth one is flower. So the inflorescence is arrangement and distribution of flower and flower part on the floral axis. Thank you.